Hello, ForeverLight viewers. Today, we will explore a fascinating scientific experiment, its incredible results, and the only explanation science can provide for this phenomenon, the proof of God's existence. Light has been the miraculous force illuminating our universe since its creation, guiding our way through existence. Even before humanity and all living beings came into existence, light was there. The stars and the galaxies of the universe, each radiating its own light, illuminated the depths of the cosmos, showcasing the highest power of creation. These stars were not just physical sources of light. They were also the most tangible evidence of a divine order and the omnipotence of God. A single beam of light was the continuation of the perfection in the creation of the cosmos. On Earth, the sun is the source of light. The sun stands as a tangible symbol of God's presence and the perfection of creation. In the darkness of night, the light reflected by the moon and the distant stars connect us to the farthest reaches of illumination. This is not just a physical reality, but a part of a divine plan. A star is the seal of the universe's harmony, and a beam of light is a fragment of God's presence. Humanity seeks to discover and encompass all of this. Later, humankind discovered fire. Fire became a new source of light, not only allowing humans to cook food, but also marking the first steps in their journey to understanding the universe. Fire enabled them to melt metals, paving the way for modern technology. For humanity, fire was more than just a means of warmth, protection, and cooking it became a source of light that illuminated their future. As long as there is a source of light, it serves as a tangible manifestation of the order created by God. This illumination is not merely a tool to brighten the darkness, but also a symbol of the separation of the universe and the understanding of God's plan. However, this video is not about these ideas. Our real question today is, what is the nature of light? Is light merely a physical phenomenon? Or does it hold a deeper, more mystical meaning? Scientists who sought an answer to this question discovered that light exhibits both wave-like and particle-like properties. These conflicting findings suggest that the mechanics of the universe are not merely a result of order but are imbued with divine mystery. Through the study of light, humanity was not only uncovering the secrets of the physical world, but also glimpsing the divine order of the cosmos. One of the most significant discoveries in this regard was Thomas Young's double-slit experiment in the 1820s. His experiment challenged many assumptions about the nature of light. Young demonstrated that light spreads like a water wave, but when an observer was placed to detect the photons, their behavior changed. When light was observed, it behaved like a particle. Initially, two slits were created, and photons were fired randomly, one by one. The result was an interference pattern, just like waves in water. However, when a detector was placed to measure how many photons passed through, an astonishing discovery was made. Light no longer formed an interference pattern, but instead left two distinct lines on the screen. Even after numerous trials, this inexplicable phenomenon continued to occur, leaving science without an answer. If light changes its behavior when observed, this provides a crucial clue about the role of consciousness and observation in the universe. The wave-particle duality of light reinforced the idea that the order of the universe is the product of divine intelligence. This is not just a scientific mystery, but also an exploration of God's presence and humanity's place in the cosmos. If light behaves differently when observed, what does this phenomenon tell us? When we observe light, Are we witnessing an aspect of creation, something beyond mere material existence? As beings seeking to understand God's message, humanity can examine reality from many perspectives, but the truth always transcends these different viewpoints. Modern physics, quantum mechanics, and all scientific findings indicate that light is not just an ordinary phenomenon. The way light behaves when observed reveals the profound mysteries of the universe. These mysteries are intertwined with God's creation and the intricate fabric of life and consciousness. Some philosophical perspectives suggest that God is reflected in the universal principles of human intelligence. In truth, by deepening our understanding of light, we may advance toward a greater comprehension of God's creation and the universal order bestowed upon us. Here on Forever Light, we continue to explore the scientific and spiritual mysteries of existence together. Light is never just a phenomenon. It carries a deeper meaning within the universe and originates from a divine foundation. This presence is the continuation of a greater plan. I invite you to join me on this extraordinary journey where we navigate between the scientific and spiritual realms, uncovering the profound mysteries of the universe. As we progress through the days of light, let us take one step closer to unraveling the vastness of God's creation before our eyes. Remember, with Forever Light, we take one step closer to the truth always.